are going to clear a very confusing point of the word. That is, what is the difference between noise and music. So basically, noise is an unpleasant sound, whereas music is very pleasant sound and is loved by everyone. So our classmates are very best in showing what is noise in music. So what is noise, guys?
Music in a very pleasant way, which can cool down our eardrums.
Because that was so irritating. Noise is literally so irritating. So let's welcome Abhishek to sing a song.
ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೈತಿ ಈ ಜಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣೋ ಹಡೆದ ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳಕೊಂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗುವಳೇನು ತಮ್ಮ ಮರಳಿ ಬರುವಳೇನು ತಮ್ಮ ಮರಳಿ ಬರುವ